Now, a feature I haven't mentioned yet is the built-in nightlight, which again may seem like a minor feature, but if you're getting up in the middle of the night, it's nice having just enough light without having to turn on the bathroom lights. It's another one of those little conveniences that just makes sense once you've lived with it. As for sound, I found the entire toilet to be very quiet. Whether the lid was opening, the flushing, or the different automatic functions, everything feels smooth and well thought out. So after spending this time with the HOROW T38P, what do I honestly think? Well, coming into this review, I really didn't know what to expect. Again, I didn't ever own or use a smart toilet before, and I wasn't sure if all of those features would actually make much of a difference. However, now that I've been using it for a while, I can honestly say they've exceeded my expectations. Again, not because of one specific feature, but because all of those features work together to make something you use every single day feel more comfortable, more convenient, and definitely more hygienic. Now, in general, is a smart toilet something everybody needs? Probably not. A traditional toilet still gets the job done. But if you're doing something like a renovation and you're changing out your toilet, enjoy smart home technology, or simply want a more premium bathroom experience, I can absolutely understand why smart toilets have become so popular. But again, I also think it's worth considering for anyone looking for added comfort or anybody who would benefit from a less physically taxing experience when you're going to the bathroom. The T38P makes that everyday use that much easier. So overall, I've been genuinely impressed with the HOROW T38P. It's well designed, packed with useful features, performs exactly as it should, and it's completely changed the way I look at smart toilets.